Are dress codes different for men and women in the workplace? Are dress codes different for men and women in the workplace? This question touches on a topic that many people encounter daily. Dress codes have traditionally varied based on gender, reflecting societal norms about how men and women should present themselves. Historically, women were often expected to wear skirts or dresses, apply makeup, and meet certain standards of femininity. In contrast, men typically wore suits, ties, and maintained shorter hairstyles. These expectations reinforced traditional gender roles and stereotypes in many work environments. However, times are changing. Legal and cultural shifts have challenged these outdated norms. Laws like Title VII of the Civil Rights Act prohibit discrimination based on sex, which includes dress codes. Employers can have different dress codes for men and women, but these must be comparable in terms of burden and cost. For example, if women are required to wear expensive or uncomfortable clothing, while men are not, that could be seen as discriminatory. Courts have allowed some gender-specific dress code policies, particularly when they relate to the nature of the job. For instance, in a formal setting, it might be acceptable for men to be restricted from wearing makeup or nail polish, while women are allowed to do so, as long as the rules are applied consistently. It is also important to note that employees should be able to express their gender identity through their clothing. Employers cannot force someone to wear clothing that does not align with their gender identity or expression. This means dress codes need to be flexible enough to accommodate trans, gender, and gender nonconforming individuals. From a cultural etiquette standpoint, understanding these differences and legal requirements can help create respectful and inclusive workplaces. Both employers and employees benefit from dress codes that honor individual identity and cultural diversity while maintaining professionalism. Practical steps include adopting gender-neutral dress policies when possible, allowing personal expression within professional guidelines, and ensuring that any gender-specific rules are justified by legitimate business needs and applied fairly. In summary, while dress codes for men and women have historically differed, evolving legal standards and cultural awareness are leading to more equitable and flexible approaches that respect gender identity and reduce discrimination.